Hey, Ag Teacher Thoughts here, coming at you with another video. Well, I just spent, I think, a little over an hour, maybe it was closer than two, crawling around on my knees, cutting the asphalt, getting ready to run the gas line to the greenhouse. Wouldn't recommend using a circular saw and a masonry blade. That's a lot of work. If you can get one of the big power gas saws, I'm sure it goes a whole lot easier. But that's the tools that I have available to me to be able to do this. So let me walk you down the line. You can take a look and see how it went. And hopefully by the time I do another video, we'll have a trench and a gas line in through here and be able to have heat in our greenhouse. Let me get you out there and take you on a tour. So that gas line does need to go right in there because our heater is that dark spot there. I went ahead and cut that asphalt, about a 2-foot spacing in between. I think it gets down about 3 inches. I think the asphalt is ranged anywhere from 2 inches to like 6 inches. So it's at least scored so that when we come at it with a piece of machinery, it's going to allow that to break in a nice clean edge. What we're going to do is we'll end up running the line down through here, off to the other side of the fence into where the propane tank is. But as far as the work that I need to get done, the cutting is finished. So I'm glad to see that done. That's a pretty dusty job. I can feel all the dust still in my hair, all that grit. But this is kind of a little bit of that sacrifice that I'm doing to try to make us get to our season and be able to get our plants in their containers and hangers on them and growing them so that we can get to the next step. So does apparently mean that I need to get dirty to get this job done. And I sure hope that running the gas line and the electrical is the last thing. I hope it is, but I'm pretty sure it's not. I'm pretty sure that running the water line, which has got to come off from over there, is going to be the last thing. But we're in the middle of winter, and digging a trench for water is probably not the greatest idea right now. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you learned something, you learned something. If not, hey, at least you enjoyed following up and seeing the progress in the greenhouse. Ag Teacher Thoughts out.